Okay, so welcome back to the video. Today we're going to be learning about Blender. So if we hit Alt G on this item here, which is loop cut, we can actually see different lines. So like if we click with our mouse and then click again, and we can click again, as you can see, we're actually dividing the cube up into different shapes. So like, okay, so now if we go to our poly build, which is here, we can just click on a point and it only affects certain areas. And we just rotate around the image by holding down our middle mouse wheel. And let's go over a few of the actual items. Let's go back to our layout. This is the basics, but you have modeling, sculpting, UV editing, texture and paint, shading, animation, rendering, compositioning, geometric nodes, and scripting. If we go back to our layout, we can use this button here to rotate with our mouse. Blue goes around, green goes this way, and red goes that way. The move tool, which is this here, arrows, choose the direction, X and Y axis. So that's that. Transform tool, scaling. This is actual scaling right here. Bigger, smaller, the direction you want it. You can rotate around again. And that's what we have for that.